How to draw trend lines. Gold/US dollar is one of the most traded assets, making trend analysis crucial for traders. In this guide, we'll use TradingView to draw trend lines on gold/US dollar, helping identify potential support and resistance levels for better trading decisions. Steps to draw trend lines on gold/US dollar using TradingView 1. Open TradingView and select gold/US dollar. Go to TradingView. In the search bar at the top, type XAUUSD and select the gold spot price chart. Choose a time frame, 4 hours, 1 day, or 1 week, based on whether you are a swing trader or a long-term investor. 2. Select the trend line tool. On the left-hand toolbar, click on the trend line tool, a diagonal line icon. You can also press Alt+T, shortcut for drawing trend lines. Identify swing points. Look for higher lows in an uptrend or lower highs in a downtrend. For an uptrend, find at least 2 major low points where the price bounced off support. For a downtrend, find 2 major high points where price faced resistance. 4. Draw the trend line. Click on the first point, historical swing low or high. Extend the line to touch the second point, recent swing low or high. Adjust the trend line so it best fits multiple points. 5. Confirm the trend line. A valid trend line should be tested at least 2 or 3 times by price action. If price respects the trend line, it becomes a reliable level of support or resistance. Extend and monitor. Right-click the trend line and choose Extend Right to project it into the future. Observe how gold per US dollar price reacts when it approaches the trend line. Best practices for trading. XAUUSD with trend lines. Use higher time frames, 4H, 1D, weekly. Gold/US dollar follows strong long-term trends. Combine with other indicators. Use RSI, moving averages, or Fibonacci levels for confirmation. Wait for confirmations. Don't enter a trade based only on a trend line touch. Look for candlestick patterns or volume increase. The common mistakes to avoid. Forcing the trend line. If it doesn't fit naturally, don't adjust it to match price action. Ignoring fake breakouts. Gold/US dollar can have false breakouts. Wait for a confirmation candle. Not checking higher time frames. The main trend is often clearer on higher time frames like the daily chart. Drawing trend lines on gold/US dollar using TradingView is an effective way to identify key trading zones. By following these steps and combining trend lines with other tools, traders can improve their accuracy in spotting potential trade opportunities.